This is a quick review of a Bicyaco set of LED fog lights that were sent to me to do a fair and honest review for my 2008 Dodge Ram. So let's get it unboxed and see what we got. Comes in a pretty nice looking box. Looks good. I'm glad to see it comes with new mounting hardware, which is good because the old ones in the truck are probably rusty by now because it's a Dodge. Seems to be packaged in quite a bit of foam, which is good. That looks pretty sweet, not gonna lie. At first impression, that looks awesome. Hopefully they are a little brighter than my stock fog lamps, which have been blowing a lot lately. Last time they blew both at the same time, so when approached about reviewing this, I jumped at the chance. Looks like it's plug and play. So there's one. Two. You can get these in a chrome background or a black. I have a black Dodge Ram, like a billion other people. So I got the black. Yeah, that looks like it. Pretty basic, but it's awesome. It comes with new mounting hardware and then the two lamps. So let's install this. It's a pretty basic swap out. Release the lock on this connector. You can remove your bulb if you want, or you can leave it in there if you'd like to. It might be actually safer in case you want to save this. And then there are 1, 2, 3 bolts holding the whole thing in. So let's get that swapped out. Okay, got the driver's side all installed. I did swap out the 3 bolts with the new ones. They come with clips, which was pretty nice. The only mistake I just made is I said that you have to disconnect this, and you do not. This just plugs right into where the bulb was before. So this took about, I don't know, 5 minutes. So from the unboxing to the installation, these fixtures seem great. I'm ecstatic, over the top with them. Simple to install, about total of 20 minutes. Plug and play, the construction seems great. So far the customer service and the company seems great as well. So right now, I would highly recommend them at first impression. I will update this review maybe 6 months or a year later and see how they did. Thanks for watching, thumbs up. I'll try to get some more videos out regarding the Dodge Ram, but thanks for watching. Hope you like the fog life.